Hey guys, we're in Hell's Kitchen and we're going to visit some historic shops.
And it's Fleet Week.
Directly across 42nd Street from the Port Authority bus terminal and the A, C, E, and 7 subway station is Kaufman's Army and Navy. Kaufman's was founded in 1938 and is one of the oldest military surplus stores in the United States and the oldest in New York City. It specializes in original, new, and used military clothing and equipment and insignia from the U.S. Armed Forces and many foreign countries. Because it is Fleet Week 2019, with about 2,600 sailors, Marines, and Coast Guard members in town celebrating the nation's sea forces, we thought a visit to this shop would be a perfect first stop on our tour. When we first photographed this shop a few years ago for our book Storefront 2, A History Preserved, and spoke with the third-generation owner, Jim Korn, there were 2 wooden-heeled, Hotchkiss-mounted cannons outside the store. Jim told us that the cannons were installed by his father in 1950 and that they were designed in Paris for the U.S. Army for the Spanish-American War. Told us that he loves the cannons and that they were one of the reasons that he comes to work every day. They're not in front of the store right now, as they are being professionally restored to their 1890 glory by a company who does restoration work for the National Park Service.
Field coats from the Austrian Army. They have an inside pocket. They're just great. These are genuine Russian military striped undershirts. This is from the Russian Army. Dark blue is Russian Navy. And this is Russian Border Patrol. Here's a East German Army rayon pattern combat jacket.
Oh, awesome. I'll just try it on. Oops, I forgot a button. Oh, I love it. It's pretty.
Oh, those are pretty cool.
Yeah, these from World War II.
These are pretty cool.
Yeah, but this one.
Oh yeah, this looks like kamikaze.
One of the main things Kaufman focuses on today is supplying the theater, television, and movie industries with military surplus items. Jim Korn personally picked out all the military clothing used in the missile hijacking scene of Superman the movie, and continues today to supply all of the hyenas in Disney's The Lion King on Broadway and their national tour with black leather military-style combat boots.
Now it's time for us to get our dog Hudson his custom stamped dog tag.
Sure. Well, no. What about Karla? I hope you don't.
We push this down. We put the plate here, push it back down. These are our lines, so we're on the first line.
Dog tags are custom stamped while you wait for $15, which includes 2 plates, 2 chains, and 5 lines of text, each with 15 spaces. They are stamped using a World War II era machine. U.S. Army dog tags include the following information: last name, first name, middle initial, DOD ID number, blood type, and religion. Jim Korn explained to us that military surplus stores were much more common than they are today, but theirs became so well known because they only buy grade 1 surplus in all sizes and names.
Here, Hudson, this is for you. This one.
These are pretty cool. Look, there's no glass.
Kaufman sells so many unusual items that it's always fun to take a look around the shop. We purchased not only a custom stamped dog tag for Hudson, but also took home a genuine Russian Marine striped undershirt and an East German Army combat jacket in a rain pattern. With every purchase at Kaufman's, you receive a wooden dollar that is good for $1 towards any future purchase. Hell's Kitchen is a name for the neighborhood on the west side of Manhattan, having once been known for its dangerous gangs. It is bounded to the north by 59th Street, to the east by 8th Avenue, to the south by 30th Street, and to the west by the Hudson River. The moniker Hell's Kitchen was most likely acquired from the name of a notorious neighborhood gang. The neighborhood resisted gentrification until the mid-1990s, but is now a less touristy adjunct to the Times Square and Theater District areas. It is often now promoted using its current name, Clinton, after the DeWitt Clinton Park. Poseidon Greek Bakery has been in business since 1923. All the recipes they use are original, and all of the baked goods are made by hand daily in the back of the shop. The extended family lives above the shop in true mom-and-pop store fashion. Third-generation owner Lillian Faile told us that having the apartment over the store is the best thing because it enables her and her sons to be at the shop the irregular hours demanded and still have time with their family. They can run downstairs at 5 a.m. and start flouring the boards and rolling the baklava without ever leaving home. They are the only shop in the USA that makes Faile pastry dough by hand, which is a very involved process. The shop is lined with family memorabilia and specializes in savory and sweet pastries, including spinach and cheese pies, their signature baklava, which is a traditional Greek pastry of layered chopped almonds and walnuts wrapped in their golden brown phyllo and drenched in honey. They also sell strudels and a variety of Greek cookies.
And I'll give you a rolled baklava. It's two. Eat that.
Thank you, Lillian.
You're welcome. Here's that. Let's put this back here.
Hey guys, now that we are finished eating our cookies and baklava, our final stop is Rudy's Bar and Grill, located right next door to Poseidon.
This is Baron. Baron's a 6-foot pig statue, and he was stolen twice before finally being bolted down. This classic dive bar was established by the Rudy family in 1933, but has operated as a bar and grill since the early 1900s. Much of its interior is original, including the mahogany bar, which was custom made on the Bowery for $300. Famous patrons at Rudy's have included Al Capone, Frank Sinatra and Ava Gardner, Julia Roberts, Drew Barrymore, and Slash from Guns N' Roses. We're going to hang out here for a while and have a free hot dog, which comes with every beer purchase. We hope you enjoyed our video. Please give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button to stay up to date.
Bye.
Bye, guys.